Is this where I get is this where I get the Spanish rice with chicken?
One Spanish rice with chicken?
No, I'm just asking you. Because it's so good. Is this where I get them?
Yes.
Let me see, because I
We
want
have
to.
Spanish white rice.
Oh, okay.
And we have chicken stew with veggies.
Oh yeah. I mean, I got this one and Spanish rice earlier. They're so good. They're so tasty.
Yeah.